Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Hydro Systems again is here with phase one plumbing works in Kakili, Uganda. So I'm just going to take you through. It's a three bathroomed house and kitchen, and then that is where our main focus is. So we are starting with one of the bathroom, and here is our control valve that is going to control all the water that is coming in this bathroom. So here, we start from here. It supplies as cold water here, and then here as well to the toilet, to the shut-off. We have a supply to the toilet as well here that is going to be as well moving to our shower area, which is going to be putting cold water here, continuing to our water heater that will be mounted just up there. This is our control to the cold water that is supplying the water heater. So from the hot water heater, it comes into this line. It supplies to the shower area with the shower mixer. It supplies us as well to the hand wash basin that is going to be mounted here. So we shall have a cabin, a shower cabin around here that when you're showering, you don't have water splashing through all over the entire bathroom. So this is bathroom one. So if we go to bathroom two, if you come to bathroom two, this is also our control. That is water is starting from here. Supplies to the shut-off of the toilet, the supply of the toilet, and then to the shower mixture that will be here with the cold water, and to the hand wash basin that's going to be here. So hot water, since we are having a bathroom that is adjacent to another bathroom, we are having one water heater supplying both bathrooms. It is in the other side. So it is coming through here. It gives us here hot water and here hot water. When we go to the master, this is what I was talking about. So we shall have our water heater mounted up there. So from the water heater, it comes through our bathtub that is going to be mounted here. So we shall have a bathtub just where I am standing. And this is its drain that will be draining it. So we shall have a mixer here providing water to the bathtub, both hot and cold. Our hand wash basin is just going to be right here. And then this is our sitting pan, the toilet that will be mounted here. So this is what we have done in these three bathrooms. So when we go to the kitchen, so right here where I'm standing, we shall have our sink just here in the center. And then not forgetting this is a provision for the washing machine. Just in case a client in future decides to put a washing machine, we shall have it here. This control is just controlling water that is coming to the cold water to the washing machine, as well as the sink that will be mounted here. You might ask why 4 points here. So we shall have 2 points for the cold and 2 points for the hot. So we shall have the water heater mounted underneath the sink just right here. So they work outside. So this is the supply. We have provided a supply of cold water through there. The water that is going to be coming inside the kitchen. And then this is the drain that is going to be draining the water from the sink and also from the washing machine. It is going to be collected here. So this is one of the bathroom, outside one of the bathroom where we started from. This is a toilet. We have provided a supply of the cold water system. It's just right here. And then this is our drain of the floor traps and all the water from the hand wash basin is going to be collected. So we shall have a galley trap from here. Moving ahead, here is another bathroom. and this is where it's going to be collecting water from the floor trap, from that bathroom, and then also the water from the hand wash basin. So this is the supply of cold water into the room. The pipe that we have covered it with everything, you can't see it, but it's just right there. Have a toilet. This is our drain from the bathtub, and this is our drain from the floor trap around that area, that bathroom, the general bathroom. Also from the water from the hand wash basin. So the supply, it's around here. So this is everything that we've done here. Now when it comes to plumbing, Hydro Systems is just here for you. We are there on YouTube, Hydro Systems UG. Check our work out, click on it. Don't forget to subscribe, and you see all the works available for you. Click on it, subscribe, call us, give us work, and everything that is concerned with purification and filtration systems, plumbing works, both commercial and residential. Just give us a call and you will not be left the same. Thank you.